You are the one that got away. High school pa lang, gusto na kita, pero sabi nga nila, in life, we don't always get what we wanted. Pero thankful ako kasi God has perfect timing. Kahit matagal man nating pinilit or sinubukan na mag-usap ulit, akalain mong pandemic pa, yung talagang magbibigay sa atin ng chance para sa relationship natin. Thank you for entrusting yourself to me. Pinapangako ko na gagawin ko yung best ko for you. You have made me the happiest man in the world today by agreeing to share your life with me. I promise to cherish and respect you. I promise to care for you and protect you. I promise to comfort you and encourage you. I promise to be with you for all of eternity. I love you, Mommy.
Dad, thank you kasi naintindihan mo ako palagi. Promise ko din na aalagaan kita, ipoprotect kita sa lahat. I love you so much. Excited na ako sa panibagong chapter ng buhay natin.
Pao, aking mahal, kailan may hindi kita pagtataksilan.
Para tumagal kayo bilang mag-asawa, listen to God. Makinig sa Diyos. John chapter 10 verse 27, Jesus said, "My sheep listen to my voice. I know them and they know me." Nakikinig sa akin ang aking mga tupa. Nakikilala ko sila at sumusunod sila sa akin.
Now, after all these years, Dad, we have reunited once again and our love has only grown stronger. As we laugh, every sadness, hug, and shared intimate moments, it was clear that our love was truly meant to be. Dad, you are everything I've been wanted. Thank you for bringing out the absolute best in me. After all the heartbreak that I've been through, I finally don't have to worry anymore. This wedding and you, everything is an answered prayer.
Kaya pag may problema dyan at Pao, una, makinig sa isa't isa. Pangalawa, makinig sa Diyos. Then makinig sa parents, ninong, ninang. Anong sabi po sa Proverbs chapter 11, verse 14? Kung walang maputing paggabay, mapapahamak ang tao. Nakikitang katatagan sa dami ng nagpapayo. Gusto niyo maging matatag kayo? Nasa dami na nagpapayo. Listen to the elders. Makinig. Tears of joy, duha ng kagalakan. Sino ba naman ang hindi maliluha pag yung araw na ito ay mahalaga sa inyo?
Saksiyan natin ang traditional wedding cakes.